If you're exploring fast, secure, and transparent options, the Wise platform has become a trusted choice for international remittances. Unlike traditional banks, Wise offers real-time exchange rates and low transfer fees, ensuring that your recipient in Nigeria gets maximum value. When you use Wise, you don't just send money, you send with confidence. The platform connects your local currency directly to the Nigerian naira through its peer-to-peer model, which means there are no hidden intermediaries. For more details, you can always check wise.com. Alright, so now let's break down some aspects that make sending to Nigeria with Wise truly stand out. First up, the transaction speed is, well, pretty impressive. Most transfers arrive within minutes, especially when funded via debit or credit card. This makes it super convenient for urgent family needs or business payments. Second, the platform provides you with upfront visibility. Before you even confirm the transfer, you'll know exactly how much your recipient will receive in Nigeria, eliminating the usual guesswork caused by fluctuating exchange rates. Third, Wise issues a unique reference link for each transfer. This helps both the sender and receiver track the progress without confusion. Many users in Nigeria have found this particularly useful, as it creates a sense of accountability in real time. Fourth, Wise has introduced split source payments. This means you can fund a single transfer using multiple sources, for example, part from your bank account and part from your card. You know, this flexibility is especially valuable for Nigerians abroad who manage funds from different accounts. Fifth, there's an advanced recipient wallet check system. Before processing, Wise verifies whether the Nigerian bank account details provided are active and capable of receiving international transfers. This reduces the risk of failed transactions and delays, which are common with traditional methods. Finally, Wise's transparent fee structure is worth mentioning. Instead of a flat fee, you pay a percentage, making it more economical for smaller transfers compared to other providers.